Okay, let's have a look at the sum of geometric sequences. So if I had 4 terms, 3, 6, 12, 24, and I wanted to calculate the sum of 4 terms, I would do 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24, and adding them all up together, I get 36 plus 9, which is 45. Okay, now there is a formula for the sum of geometric sequences. Imagine if we had 100 terms, it would take a long process to add them all up. So the formula goes, the S subscript n of A being the first term, sometimes you'll see a T1, R to the power n, take away 1, all divided by R take 1. Okay? And this formula works great when the R value is less than -1, or when it's greater than +1. Okay? When the R value is actually between -1 and 1, the formula changes slightly, and I'll do another video for that one. Here we go. So to shortcut all of this work, I would take the sum of the 4th term, where n is 4, the A value is 3, the R value was 2 in this case, 2 to the power 4 because n is 4, subtracting 1, and then we do R, which is still 2, take away 1. Okay, and we simplify. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 take 1 is 15. So we have 3 times 15 in the numerator, and 2 take 1 is 1. And so 3 times 15 is 45. And there you go, you have the same answer, 45, so it works. All right, let's try question B here. And what is the R value, do you think, in this case? We go -4 to 12, and from 12 to -36. Hopefully you can see that it's going to be -3. And -3 is still less than -1, so we can use this formula. But first of all, let's calculate it manually. So the sum of these 3 terms is going to be -4 plus 12 plus -36. And so this comes to -40 plus 12 is going to be -28. Okay, so using the formula, Sn is equal to A times R to the power n take 1, all divided by R take 1. The 3rd term, the sum of 3 terms, is A, which is -4, times by R, which is -3, and make sure you use brackets whenever you have a negative R value, to the power n, which is 3, subtract 1, all divided by R take 1, which is -3 take 1. Okay, so nearly there now. And we get -3 to the power 3 is -27. -7 take away 1 is -28. And -3 take away 1 is -4. And look here, we have -4 in the numerator and -4 in the denominator. So we can cancel those out and see that our answer is -28. And it works, -28. So that is the sum of geometric sequences. Let's try some questions where the R value is between -1 and 1.